So good morning to all. So today we will see the math module. We have to see the math module. So let's see how math module is work. So the today's date is today's date is
3, sir.
3. Today's date is 3/02 and
Sir, your
25.
screen is not visible, sir.
My screen is not visible.
No,
Visible,
sir.
sir.
It's visible, guys.
Yes, sir.
It's visible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's take here. We have to see the math module. We have to see math module. So let's see the definition of this. It is a predefined function in Python. The main objective of math module math module is to perform perform some mathematical operations. So it is a predefined function in Python. The main objective of math module is to perform some complex mathematical operation. So let's see here. Then here we write print end of an application. So first we have to import the math module. Okay, guys. So we have to import math. Then we find here how many directories, keywords, and functions are there in math module. So we write dir for that. Then we write here math. So let's see how many directories are there. Wait a minute. Here we write Python new.py. Okay, so this many predefined functions and keywords are there. Okay, so these are the directories. So let's copy this one. So the next we have to see the how we do the operation by using the math math module. So let's see. So here I write print. After that, here we write math print. Then here we find the square root. So we have to find the square root of. So if we didn't use we write only import math. Okay. So here we have to first give the math dot sqrt we have to write. Then we have to find the square root of 16. So how much it will give? Anyone?
4.
Okay, good. Then here we write once again we write math, and now I have to find the sine of 45. What it will give? Sine of 45. Anyone? Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, I think. So then we have to write math dot. Then we have to write cos 30. How much? Guys, cos 30. Then here we have to write tan 45. We take. Oh wait a minute. So here we write math dot tan of 45. Tan 45. How much? So see, it gives the square root, and then it gives the sine value. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Then the sine 30 cos how much? Cos 30 is also same. Okay, just little bit difference is there in number. And then the tan 45 is this one. Okay, so let's see. So this is the second example. So here we write like this. So then after here we write. Now we take here from we write from math import star we have to write. Then here we write print and we directly access this square root of, we have to find the square root of how much, 25. Here we write 25. Now here we write print. So here we take sine of 30. Sine 30 how much? Anyone?
5.
Hmm? How much?
1/2.
Yes, 1 by 2, and cos 45
1/√2.
and tan 45.
1.
So let's see, it gives them the complete data of mathematical operation. Okay, so we can access like this one also and by this one. Okay, according to the requirement we have to use. So let's see the next one, what we have to see. So let's see the next inbuilt or predefined module is there. It's known as an random module. So let's see the random module. So my screen is visible now, guys. My screen is
Yes,
visible.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here we have to see the next topic. We have to see the random module. So Python support random module. The main objective of random module is to generate the random objects. It is used to develop mainly used to develop gaming gaming application logic. So this is the definition of random module. So we have to see the example for this. So here we have to import the random module also. Then after, here we find the submodules of this. So submodules of random module. So here we write print. I want to find the directories. So what I have to write? Anyone? I want to find the directories of random module. So what I have to write? Anyone? Dir of random. Like this we have to write. So let's see here. So it gives the complete keywords, functions, okay, which are in the random module. So like this we can write. So we take here. There are 3 4 functions are there we mainly use. Okay, so some important functions in a random module. Okay, so let's see. So here we write a random module. Okay, we import random module. So first we have to see some important module. The first one is random function is there, random function. Then the second one is randint function. So the third one is rendering, and then the fourth one is uniform function. and after that choice function. Okay, so we have to see this function. So let's see the random. So it is a predefined function in Python. The main objective of random function is to generate the random values from 0.0 to 1.1. So random function. So it is a predefined function in Python. The main objective of random function is to generate the random values from 0.0 to 1.1. Okay. So let's see the example of this. So here we write. So now we want to access the complete functions keyword which is present inside the random module. So we have to write here from random import import star we have to write. So after this, here we write. So here we have to write for x in range for x. So for x in the range of 10. So here we write time dot sleep of 2 seconds. We take for 1 second because we want. So here we write print. Then inside that we write random. And in random function we have to write like this. So let's see. Let print this up to means up to 10. Okay. So let's see. See it gives an 0.0 to 1.1 values. Okay, random values it will give. Always it gives different value. Now we executing the file. So let's see. It is different with this data. Okay. Why stuck? So like that we have to do the operations. So let's see the next one is. So here we have to now we have to see one more example in this. No, one is enough because it's completely same like this one also. So let's see the randint. So what is the working of randint? So it is a predefined function in random module. The main objective of randint function is to generate the random numbers as per the application requirement. So randint it is a predefined function in random module. The main objective of randint function is to generate the random numbers as per the application requirement. So let's see the code for this. So what we have to write. So now we want to print the 5 digits OTP. So for that we are writing the code. So here we write 5 digits OTP. So let's see here print. So then here we write for x in range of 11. So here we have to write here time dot sleep of 1 second. Then here we write print and hint we have to write. So here we want like this we have to write, and how many digits we want? 5 digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, only up to 5 we want. So like that we have to write. So let's see. So it gives an 5 digits OTP. Okay, now check it gives a complete different numbers. Okay, 5 digits OTP. So we have to write like this. Why it's stuck here? See, it gives an complete different data. Okay, different numbers, different 5 digits number. Okay, so let's see what we have to do here. So this is for 5 digits. So we want now 3 digits. For 3 digits, what we have to write? We have to decrease the two zeros. So let's see, now it will give the okay, two digits or less than that. Okay, so like that we have to write. So this is the random. So the next one is, let's see one more for 10 digits OTP also. So here is like phone number we want. Okay, for random mobile number, for that we write 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It gives an random numbers. Okay guys, so let's copy this one also. So now we have to say the rand range. So what is rand range function? It is a predefined function. It is a predefined function in a random module. The main objective of a rand range function is to generate the random object as per the application requirement. So there is a syntax for this rand range. So here we write rand range of, so here we write first begin value, then after that we have to write end -1, then after this we give the step value, like indexing we have to give. Okay, so let's see the first example. So here we write So here we write x in x in range of, here we write 10. So after this we write time dot sleep of 1 second. So then after this what we have to write, print rand range of, so we have to give the begin value. So we start with the, first we take the normal one, then after we have to see the slicing also in that. So say it gives an random numbers. Okay, so let's see the next is so copy this example. So just we have to change here, we can give the range also. So I want the data from 3 to 10. Okay, so let's see the random number we want from 3 to 10. So it gives an random values. Okay, so wait a minute guys.
సంవత్సరం దాకా అట్లా పని అదొకటే అయిపోయిందా మీకు అదే మామూలు పని చేస్తుందని మీకు అంటున్నానండి. ఇంకా రాలేదండి, అంటే ఒకటి ఆర్కేళ్ళ పెద్దలే చూస్తారేమని.
So let's see where we are. So we print the data up to, let's see once again, from 3 to 10. Okay, we give the range from 3 to 10 random numbers we have to print. So let's copy this one also. My voice is clear, my screen is visible guys. Okay, so
Yes,
let's
sir.
copy. So this is the example for rand range. So we take one more example. Now we have to give this step value also. So here we take up to 10 we want. Okay, then we give the step value of 2. So let's see what it will give. It will give only the odd numbers. Okay, it's not given 1. Why? Okay, so from 1 we take from 0. So let's see once again, take from, now it's give the odd numbers. Okay, and if you start with the 1, then it gives, now it gives an even number. Okay, so if we take here 1, then it gives an odd number. Okay, so this is the one more example. So rand range is clear. So now we have to see uniform function. predefined function. The main objective of uniform function is to generate floating random values. Okay, so like that we have to write. So the next one is, so here we print the random floating values. So let's see. So here we write for x in the range of 10 up to 11 we take. So after that, here we write time dot sleep of 1 second. Then here we write print uniform. Okay, so we want from 1 to 10. So let's check. It gives an floating values 1 to 10. Okay, any doubt guys here? Till now any doubt? Guys, till now any doubt?
No.
Okay, so this is the example for uniform. So the next one is choice function. So this is the example of uniform. So let's see the choice function. So it is a predefined function. It is a predefined function in random module. Main objective, the main objective of choice function is to generate random string object. So let's see. Random string values we have to generate. So for that, here we create one list data set we create. Okay, so in that, here we take one list, then here we write Python developer, then here write SQL developer, then after this we write class developer, and after this we write front end developer. Okay, so let's see for this, for x in range of 10. So here we have to write time dot sleep of 1 second, then here we print, then here we have to write choice, then in choice we have to write the list data set we have to write. Okay, so let's see, now it will give the random string from the list data set. Random string it will give. Okay, like 10 times. Okay, it gives you 10 times. Okay, random values 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, let's take one more time, it will change the positions also. See, here it's an SQL developer, here it will give the front end developer. Okay, so like that we have to see. So let's see the next topic we have, which is the next topic. So here we have to, the next topic is, we have to see the next topic. So the next topic is, yes,
Not visible, sir.
my screen is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why it's, now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the next topic we have to see is pandas module. So this pandas module help you into the data science part also, but for that we have to see the complete data science. But only for Python we see the basic 2 3 functions, like I think 7 to 8 function we have to see in the pandas module. Okay, so we cover the all topics like pandas also, math modules also. Okay, which is related to means complete Python. Okay, so it is a predefined module in Python. The main objective of pandas module is to work on data science application. Pandas represent the data or information in row row and column format, or two dimensional format, using data frame object. So like that we have to write. So let's see how to install. So first we have to see how to install how to install how to install pandas in operating system. Okay, so what we have to write, pip install pandas. Okay, so we have to write like this. So you can write in command prompt here also, pip install pandas. Okay, so here we write pip install pandas. So let's see what it will give. So wait a minute. Okay, so we have to wait for a minute. Okay, so we install the, so now we have to see if we have to see how many. So see here, pandas is also installed. Okay, there is so we are using, so we install the pandas also 1.15. So you are using pip version 2.1 is available. You should consider upgrading via pip install. Okay, so we don't want to install this Python version. Okay, pip version. So let's see it will work. Our pandas will, now let's check our pandas will work or not. So what we have to write, so here we check, here we write the code for this. So here we already written, so here we write the import pandas. Okay, so here we write print submodules of So we find first how many directories are there. So wait a minute. So let's see how many directories are there. So in pandas, that many directories are there. Okay. So these many directories are there in pandas module. So let's see one by one. So we can take one more example in this. We can take as a pandas as PD. Okay. So here we give the alias of this. Okay. So here we write PD. Okay. We give the pandas as PD. Okay. So here we can write PD. So let's see. So it gives an same like this one. Okay. So the next is copy to this one. Copy. So we take one data like we remove first. Now we take the complete from pandas import star. Okay. So here we take one s1 as a variable. In that we write pandas. Wait a minute. What we have to import pandas as PD. And here we write s1. And here we write PD dot data frame we write. Then in this data frame we have to give the values 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and 1005. Okay. So here we print this s1. Okay. So let's see it will work or not. It gives an data into the row and column format. Okay. So this is an column and this is an rows. Okay. So let's see, this is the column and this is an indexing. This 0 1 2 3 4 is an indexing and this is an column. Okay, column data we write here and this is an indexes. So let's copy this one also. So here we have to write like we take two datas. Okay, so here we write 1002 100. Oh, not we take 2001 2002 2003 and 2004 and 2005. Okay, let's see how many column it will give. It gives an two column. Okay, so this one is the this one. Wait a minute. So here we give data frame 1001 1002. Okay, so here we give the comma. Then after wait a minute.
Sir, your screen is not visible, sir.
My screen is not visible. Okay,
Yes,
wait
sir.
a minute. Now it is visible.
Yes,
Now
sir.
Yes,
it
sir.
Yes,
is
sir.
visible.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes,
so
sir.
where? Okay, so from where my screen is not visible? From which topic? From here, this is visible.
Program explain once.
Okay, okay, means this program. Okay, so let's take
And
one. Wait a minute. So here we print. So see the data is coming in this structure. Okay, so this is an indexes value and this is column values. Okay, so this is the we can take here. We take here the two list. Okay, so one is the complete outer list. Okay, then in that list we create two lists. Okay, this one is first one and this one is second. Okay, we use here data frame. So like that we can write. So let's copy and paste this one. Fourth one is so we have to write like this. Let's take and the example also. So let's take more data in this. If we take here data set as variable, so here we have to take the five datas, okay, in different lists. So we create one big list, and in that we create five lists, okay, like 1001 we take, and then the mobile one we take, and after this we have to take the price of this product, then the manufacturing date, and expiry date is 2022. So the first one is completed. In second we take 1002, then we have to take mobile 2 we take, then after this the price is 24,000, then the manufacturing date is 12/12/2019. Then we take random value, you can take, okay guys. So this one, the second list. The third list is mobile 3, and after this we take the price of that product 25,000, and 25,000, then take the any random values, random date you have to take, like I'm taking 2015 and 2018. So we have to take one more list. The fourth list is 1004. So mobile 4, and the price is 26,000. The price is 26,000. 12/12/22 to 24. The next last one is 1005, and the product name is mobile 5. Mobile 5 we have to take, and after this we take 27,000 as a price of the product. It's 25, and the expiry date is up to 27. So let's see. We take one variable, and in that we write PD, and data frame we are using, and in this we write data set. So let's see the output of this. It gives an data. Why it's look like this? Wait a minute. Why it gives none? Why it gives the data like this? Okay. Now it is good. Now it is come in the manner. Okay. So like that. This is an indexes value, and this is a column. Okay. This is column. This one. So like that. Here we write the 10012105. Then here is the product names, and this is the price of product, and manufacturing date and expiry date. Okay. So we want to change the column names also. For that we write the code. Okay. So so let's copy this one and example. copy this one also. So this is an output. So let's see the next example. The data is completely same. Just we have to change the, now we have to give the column names, okay, to this data set.
Screen is not visible, sir.
My screen is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is visible.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Tulsi, my voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we take here. Now we want to give the column names. Okay. So because here is given the column name as 0, 1, 2, 3. Here we have to give this product ID, and here we give the product name, and this is the price, and this is an manufacturing date, and this is an expiry date. For that, what we have to write here after data set, here we write column. Okay. So in columns we have to give the ID for the, then we give the P name, then after this here price, then after this manufacturing date, and here we take expiry date. Okay, expiry date, like that we have to write. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so let's see the output of this. It gives an column names. Okay, any doubt in this, how to give the column names? Just we have to use the comma columns in list bracket. We have to give the column names. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So let's copy this one. Then here we write now example 6. So let's copy this one also. Copy. So the next one we have to see. Now we have to give the index name also. Okay. The name of this rows also. Okay. So let's take here. After this we are using the index. Okay. So we use index. So in index we give, wait a minute, index, and here we have to give, I want to give the A and B, C, D. How many data are there? Five records are there now. So we have to write up to D. So let's see what it will give. So it gives the name of this data. Okay. So there is an, we have to see some functions. Okay. So there is head function. So it is a predefined function in pandas. The main objective of head function is to fetch first to fetch the data according to the requirement. according to the requirement. So let's see. So here we fetch first the complete data, and then after here, yes,
Screen is visible, sir.
yeah, okay, okay, wait a minute. Now it is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
so we have to see the definition. So it is a predefined function in pandas. The main objective of it is to head function is to fetch the data according to the requirement. Okay. So let's see. Here we have to write. This is S1. So here we write product information. Fetching first. Fetching first two records. Okay. We want to find like we want to fetch the data from the initial. Okay. So fetching the data from the top of table. Okay, so for that we use head function. So here we have to here we write, then here we write print s1 dot head. Okay, and in that we have to fetching the first two data. Okay, so for that we are writing two. So
Sir, your
let's
screen is not visible, sir.
now it is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, my voice is clear. Voice is not clear. V Tripura.
Yes, sir.
So so here we have to fetch the first two record. Okay, so let's see it we able to fetch the first two record by using the see it gives an first it gives an complete record. Okay, complete table it will give, then after this we fetch only first two data. Okay, now we have to fetch, copy this one. So here we write output. So this is an output for this. Let's take one more. If you want, like I want to fetch a first of four records. So for that, okay. So we fetch first four. Wait a minute. So here we write first first four record. Okay, we fetch the first four records. So we have to fetch that record also. Copy this one and so we fetch the data. Then comment out this data. Example two. Okay, so any doubt in this head function? So same like this, we have to use the tail function. Okay, so let's see the definition for this. So there is tail function. is a predefined function. The main objective of tail function is to fetch the data, to fetch the row from bottom of the table. So let's see the working of this. Last two records. First we have to fetch the last two records. So here we have to change. Here we have to write tail. In that tail we write 2. Okay. So let's check we able to do or not. Okay. So we fetch last two records. See here D and E. This two is the last records. So let's copy this example.
చూడగలను సార్
కట్టేసుకున్నారా?
20 చేసేటంటే 2 చేసేయం.
So this is the example for tail. Let's take, I want to fetch the last 3 records. It gives and last 3 records. Okay. So let's copy this one also.
Sir,
Yes,
your screen is not visible, sir.
my screen is not visible. Wait a minute. Why it gives and now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have to fetch the last 3 records. We write tail of 3. Okay, so in that we fetch the last 3 records. So let's copy this one. So we fetch this data. So
Sir,
yes,
last 3 records, 2 records not changed.
last 4 record is not changed.
Fetching last 3 records.
Yes, we fetch the last 3 records. This one. Okay, wait a minute. We change here only. Last 3 records. Okay, now it is done.
Sir,
Okay, so this is the tail function, working of tail function. Let's see the sum. Is a one more function sum. So we can do the sum of the like price. We want to find the total salary, means total price of that product. Okay, means complete sum of that. So for that, hmm, so this is the data. So now we have to do the sum of price, product price. So here we write sum. Let's see what it will give. Wait a minute. Not of all. Sum of the data. Sum of complete data. See, do here it is. We are doing the sum of complete data. Okay. It try to sum the this data also. This data also, like mobile 1, mobile 2, and it gives the price, sum of the price also, and the product ID also. Okay, so this is the working of sum. If you want to give for the specific, let's try, can do for that. No, we can't able to do for that. Um, In that data set, we are right column. So here we write, okay, there is no need of this. So it will be like that. We can write, copy this one and paste it below. So here we use the sum function. So it is used to do the sum of all record sum of all record. Okay. So the next one is max function. Okay. So let's see the max function. So it is used to find the maximum value from the table. Okay. So here we have to use max. It gives an maximum record is this one. Okay. So let's copy this one. So, so wait a minute, guys. Why it comes here? So this is the example of max. The next one is min. Like same, complete same. Like just we have to wait a minute. We have to copy this example first. So just we have to use here min. So here we write CLS. Here we write Python new.py. Okay, so it gives a minimum. Okay, so minimum is 1001. So let's copy this one. Comment out this part. Copy. So there is a count also. There how many data is present there or not. So for that there is count. So let's see the count of this. Okay, so it gives the count. Okay, how many PID is there? How many product is there? Okay, so let's copy this one. So this is the count function. So this is an example for sum. So this is sum and this is count. Okay, up to, so for